Mousy. You ready to open your first day of your advent calendar? No, it's not really an advent calendar anymore since it's after Christmas. We'll call this the January countdown. January. Alright. Let's see. Let's get it all folded out and look at it. Look, it's a winter tree. It's a Christmas tree, winter tree. That's cute, right? Look at the breads and the cheeses and the cakes. Look, there's kitty cat cookies. That thing's awesome, right? I love that little cookie plate. I wish I had one like that. That trolling, Callie, it's not real. So, I still wish I had one. Yes, and then I'm going to turn the dining room into a home office because nobody uses the kitchen table anymore, or the dining room table.
Oh, Becky, that's such a lovely idea.
A home office would be much better use of the space than that stupid dining room table in the hutch with the china no one uses. Just buy paper plates every month like I do.
Oh, I will.
Right. What do you think they're talking about?
She says she's turning this area into a home office. How dare she?
That was my idea. I put that on Pinterest first. What do you think they're talking about? I went to that Tay-Tay concert and it was the bomb diddly. Really? For shizzle? Or would they say something like, it was off the chain? No, that's old school, right? They would probably say new school things. What things do people say now? Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm still living back in the 90s for shizzles. Alright, Mousy, let's find number one. We're gonna make this video way too long. Right there's number one.
Oh my god, Mouse has human fingers now.
I'm getting real. Pop open the door. You can tell it's a can. I'm just saying. Look, it's a can. Fancy Feast Chicken Feast. Classic pate. It's so good. She likes it. Remember Mikey? He likes it. She likes it. Say something for me, Sissy. Look, I put a little squeezy on top so he'd eat that. So he gonna fall for it. He's like, pretty good.